there guys, this is Ty from Danbro Tech with the BS Harmony ROM by Marshall. So let's get started. Alright guys, the ROM was just booted up and it took around 30 seconds or so not too bad at all. Now first off, I'd like to thank Marshall for letting me review this ROM for him. He's a great guy and a great ROM. Personally, I've been using this as my daily driver for about 2 weeks now. It's been pretty great for me so far. So, let's start with this review. Now I'm just going to change my wallpaper here. So there's just one bug I've seen so far. Only one. And that's right here. As you can see, there's this picture right... sorry about that. There's this picture right here showing up in the preview. But this one, the large display, is different. Honestly, it's not that bad of a problem at all. I don't even notice it. You know, we'll just keep this one right here. Alright. So, I'm just going to go. Right now I'm using the Google Experience Launcher. We can change that just right here. This ROM comes preloaded with the Google Experience Launcher and Nova Launcher. I've installed Action Launcher because every once in a while I'd like to change it up. Alright, once you exit out of that right now, let's continue on down here. The lock screen, you can have up to 8 slider targets. You can also have some different themes. And you have the Harmony icon right here, compared to the regular just lock. And here it is right here. Looks pretty nice. It's a vine of sorts. Turn that right off. Oops, sorry about that. And you can also just see some different features. You have a transparent if you'd like, or blur the background. Turn this up. I'll show you right there. I also allow rotation on here, so you can see that in the background. Looks pretty nice. Just keep that on there for now. Add some different widgets. Sorry about that, guys. Start them off maximized. Pretty nice. Keep the camera on there. Right, then you have different themes you can apply for this ROM. Personally, I only have the system theme. I like to keep it stock. Alright, then you can choose different sounds for the ascending ringtone. And we'll keep that on right there. See, there's a lot of different settings, right? You can have charging sound if you'd like. Personally, I like to keep that off. Also, when you lock the screen, the sound comes in, I think it's a little bit late, but that's honestly not much. See, there's the maximize widget. Check out the display now. See, there's a status bar brightness slider. All the way down, all the way up. I have to keep it right around here in the middle. And you can have rotation. You actually have the 180-degree rotation, which is really nice. Keep that off right now. You also have the daydream feature. And instead of the regular colors, I prefer the dessert case. I'll just show you that right now. You see, it's pretty nice to bring this right in here. They slowly move. If you touch it, it will just go right back. Oh, you know what? I just got a text right there. That's Halo. I'll show you guys that right now. Actually, I'll just show this one real quick. There's nothing much left. Why not? So go right back up to Halo. And as you can see, there's a lot of different features here. I really enjoy Halo. It's one of the main things I use on this ROM. As you can see, something that's nice. You get both. Some ROMs don't have that. You can just dismiss this all. And you can have pausing the active app below it, which is very nice. Sometimes say you're playing some Angry Birds and you're just ruined. I don't know. I haven't played Angry Birds in a while. I don't know about you guys. But you can also choose the size of it. I prefer to keep it on small. Monster, it's pretty darn big. But normal's not bad either, but I just like to have it a little minimalist. Alright. Now we'll move on to the buttons down here. We have custom buttons. As I have the recents, as my menu button, long press. See, it looks pretty nice. You can also have the volume button wake. So, press the volume rocker, and your device gets woken up. Keyboard cursor control. It's pretty nice too. Reorient the volume buttons. And the fast torch. I haven't tested this one. Just try this out right now. Oh. Looks like a little glitchy right there. Alright, just keep that one off then. Next, we can just go right up to the Harmony options. Status bar. Pretty basic. Choose a battery icon. I prefer to keep it on this one or the dotted circle down here. We've all seen these. And you have the brightness control again, different spot. sliding across, and the double tap to sleep. That was nice. Just double tap that right there. Locks the device. Pretty handy. You have the notification and quick settings drawer. You can hide your network label if you like. It's just right up here. Nothing compared to right there. And you can choose your different. You can choose which side you'd like. I prefer to have a right side. And now you can choose which ones you'd like. You can see the dynamic tiles of alarm, means keyboard switcher, USB tether, all that, and see which ones you have. All the basic ones. You can record your screen, so that's pretty nice. And even change the background. You can choose right now. Well, actually, I have it transparent on right now, but it's pretty black. I can't see much. Bring it all the way up right now. You can see, looks just kind of darkened. Personally, I keep it like around 40% or so. You can also pick a color fill. What we do on a red. See this? Transparency is still in there. Just bring it all the way up again to show you. Oh, sorry. Looks like that's gone. See, it's a slight red tone if you like. Just bring this. You can also pick a custom image. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, then you get the alerts and warnings. Pretty basic stuff. Power menu, we all know that. The nav bar. Something I personally don't use. I like to keep the screen real estate up. But if you'd like to, get the general options, the ring targets. You're up to Google Now. You can also choose when to see the menu button, the overflow. Just keep that one off for now. You have the build prop mods. Just personally, I don't really mess with these things. It's a general reason you probably won't have to either. So maybe you want to do the uncapped 3G speed hack. Every once in a while I'll put that one on, because I do live in a primarily 3G area. 4G though does work in this ROM, which is always nice. Need the beanstalk mods or scripts, sorry. These will reset every single time on boot. I'm not really sure if that's a bug or not. Yeah, but you got some nice ones here. I'll usually do the speedy modified, the super tweaks, and the battery tweaks. Speaking of battery life on this ROM, excellent. You will have no problem getting through a full day. I charge probably from 6 o'clock in the morning to around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night. That'll bring you down to about 10% or so. I'm a moderate to heavy user, so take that as you will. Everyone's different. We'll go to the general settings, which you can suspend some actions. I just sorry about that. I will disable my mobile data and my GPS when the screen is off. Save a little battery in there. And I also have the disabling the full screen keyboard and the enter key. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I just missed the wake lock blocker, which is something most users won't use this, but it will disable certain functions when the device is woken. Something you usually don't want to mess with that. And last we have the miscellaneous options with the recent view. I have a clear all button. And just put this one right here. As you can see, it's right up top in the corner there. Honestly, something I really don't use. And we can also check our recent RAM bar. Looks pretty nice. We got right up the top here. See, I've used 1.6 gigs and I have 160 megabytes left. So, a little bit. Still runs silky smooth though. I have a custom carry label. Just put this one up for Dambro Tech. See? Oh, still red. I see there's two of them right here. It's probably a glitch right there. I'll try to turn off my Wi-Fi. That might be the cause of it. Alright. And nope, it's actually, they're both still there. So, that's just probably a bug right there. Change your LCD density from anywhere from 40 to 245. The higher up the list you go, the smaller the number, the smaller the screen looks. Hey there guys, I am back. Had to take a quick phone call, but now we're in the display and animation section of the Harmony options, which go to active display here. As you can see, it's real nice, works very well. It even has a sunlight mode, which is very helpful when you're just in bright light, and I use this often. Alright, then we have the screen recorder. This one works well, pretty self-explanatory. We also have the CRT animation, which is, if you don't know, just this, the old TV screen sort of thing. You can have it based on rotation. Just turn this up. Even if you're in landscape mode, turn it off. closes just like that, alright? Or you can just have it even collapse vertical. Just gonna do like that. Yeah, works out pretty well. I'll just keep this one on that. You have custom system animations, which I personally have. I like the fade. Yeah, that one works out. So just fade into every single menu and such. Alright. You bring this right down. Performance control. This one's pretty nice. I recommend keeping it right around here. Works out well. And yeah, these are just basic settings. Alright guys, this is the end of my review of the BS Harmony ROM by Marshall. Let me thank him once again for allowing me to review this ROM and supplying it in general. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. If you have any tips for me on any future videos of mine or any ROMs you'd like me to review, then just let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, I'm out. See ya.